Welcome to the SpaceLift installation videos, a complement to your installation manuals. The videos are broken into 8 sections. You are watching video 3, setting up the pulleys and poly web strapping.
You will need the supplied 7/32 Allen wrench. The polyweb straps have been pre-assembled for the back of the unit. For the front of the unit, use the outside polyweb straps to thread through the front pulleys. To install the front polyweb straps between the front pulley rollers and bumper, remove the pulley with the supplied 7/32 Allen wrench. Feed the polyweb straps through the guides. Then replace and tighten the pulley under the bumper with the Allen wrench. Pull the straps through the pulley and guide until taut. Do this on both sides of the front of the unit. You now have the main unit ready for installation into your ceiling.
Thank you for choosing the SpaceLift Attic Lift. If you have further questions, you may call SpaceLift at 203-446-4699 or email us through the website at www.spaceliftproducts.com.